The Honor 8X features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, which has a good gaming and entertainment experience. The sleek finish and glass body make the phone look elegant. Choose between two colors, midnight black and navy blue. This phone has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 400GB using a microSD card in the dedicated slot. The Honor 8X has dual SIM slots, both of which support 4G LTE capability. It has a big 6.5-inch capacitive touchscreen with 91% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has a fingerprint sensor and face unlock for quick unlock. The phone features a 20-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera with AI multi-scene recognition and AI beauty effect. The 16-megapixel front camera comes with enhanced ISO, 4-in-1 light fusion support and bokeh effect for great selfies. The Honor 8X runs on Android Oreo plus EMUI 8.2 operating system and has an octa-core processor with Mali G51 GPU, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. The phone is powered by a 3750 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user guide, quick start guide, warranty card, SIM ejector tool and protective case. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.